Okay. I walks in. Oh my gosh. It's a big box. It's a box. Oh, we got some weight to it. Oh, what this is? Speed engineering. Let's bust this baby open. Just want to shout out Speed Engineering for this because y'all made a young man very happy today. Y'all made him happy. Hello to the long tube headers. And it's going right on that monster. That monster right here. Now let me get y'all a cold start. Well, not necessarily a cold start. She just been driven. So warm start it is. Let me set it up for you. Out here at Rusty Knuckles garage, picking up the baby. The baby got them headers. Baby got them headers now. Uh-oh. Let's see how it sounds. Baby, hey, the baby back, baby.